Today we've got something truly special for all drone enthusiasts, tech connoisseurs, and budding aerial photographers. The highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro 2025 has just hit the scene, and the buzz is real. We've got official intel on the confirmed price, stunning new features, and what this compact powerhouse means for creators and professionals alike. For years, DJI's Mini series has dominated the sub-250G category, offering exceptional flight time, gimbal-stabilized cameras, and full-fledged intelligent flight modes. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But the Mini 5 Pro pushes the envelope even further. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, content creator, or pro-level pilot, this drone promises to elevate your aerial game. In this video, we'll cover unboxing and first impressions, design, build and weight, camera and gimbal improvements, flight performance and battery life, intelligent flight modes and safety features, new accessories and bundles, official pricing and release timeline, competitor comparison, pros, cons and final verdict. Grab your coffee, strap tight, and let's get flying. Opening the box of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an experience in itself. DJI continues its tradition of minimalistic but premium packaging. Inside, you'll find the folded drone, remote controller, DJI RC2 or RCN2, depending on bundle, 2 to 3 intelligent flight batteries, Type-C charging cable plus power adapter, spare propellers, ×4, gimbal clamp, screwdriver, spare screws, quick start guide, regulatory stickers. At first touch, the build feels refined yet lightweight. DJI seems to strike the perfect balance between portability and robustness. The Mini 5 Pro retains the carbon fiber reinforced plastics of its predecessor but adds a matte, textured finish for improved grip. The folded dimensions remain compact, approximately 148 by 90 by 58 millimeters, ideal for stashing in backpacks or even larger jacket pockets. Opening the arms and flipping out the landing gear feels satisfying and sturdy. Everything aligns smoothly, showing DJI's engineering attention to detail. Initial thought: this is not your average toy drone. It's a finely tuned aerial platform waiting for its moment in the sky. Let's pop in a battery, power it up, and see how she hums in flight. With dimensions nearly identical to the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro measures approximately 148 by 90 by 58 millimeters folded, and 213 by 250 by 93 millimeters unfolded. The foldable design and less than 250G weight class allow it to bypass many drone regulations in the US, EU, and elsewhere. No registration needed for most consumers. Weighing in at around 237G, the Mini 5 Pro stays ultralight. It uses a blend of durable plastics and carbon-reinforced materials, offering a scratch-resistant matte finish. The landing gear has been redesigned for better ground clearance during 4K per 60 frames per second tilt shots. This version introduces quieter propellers with a redesigned blade profile. The motors spin slightly slower, reducing noise without compromising thrust or stability. In field tests, ambient noise drops by 3